Okay, students, we have completed the text. Let us march. Let us see English workshop on this text. We have to complete the activities given on this text. So, first activity is name the following. You are asked some sentences. The person to whom Kailash Satyarthi gives the highest credit of his honor. That you have to name the persons that Kailash Satyarthi has given the credit of his honor. For example, Malala, then the names are given here on page number 106. 106, that is Kalu Kumar, Gundas, Adarsh Kishore and Iqbal Masih from Pakistan. And also some companions from other countries. The greatest personalities from the land of Buddha. Lord Buddha, Mahatma Gandhi, etc. Then the daughters of Kailash Satyarthi mentioned in his speech, Malala. The foreign activists of equal rights. The foreign activists of equal rights mentioned in the speech. Foreign activists, we are given the names of foreign activists on the first page. We have to find out the names. Then mention activity number 2. Mention the social issues highlighted by Kailash Satyarthi in his speech. One social issue is given for you, child labor. Then another issue, social issue, that is education for children. When you read the text, complete text, you will find social issues from this text. Let us see activity number 3. Complete the following diagram or chart. Same question will be asked in your question paper in every passage. Question number A2. Wave diagram. Here you are asked a wave diagram. The aim in life of Kailash Satyarthi is that every child is free to be a child. You will be given answer on, or you will find answer on page number 108. Then complete the following wave chart. Same question is given here. You have to complete the wave chart. An appeal of Kailash Satyarthi to the people in the world. So let us march. Then let us democratize knowledge. Let us universalize justice. Let us globalize compassion. You will find it on last page. Next activity is find out describing words. Describing words, we have seen it before this. Describing words, that is adjectives. You have to find out adjectives for the given words, given nouns. Also you will find it through the text, from the text. Then activity number 6, choose the correct option and write in front of the given word. Similar words are given here, that is divinity, then worldliness, extremist, that is militant, culminate, that is rise to a peak. Then activity number 7 is dependent on or related with your personal response question. What will you do in the following situation? You will be asked the same question like this. If you find a child working on a brickwork site, what will you do? What will you do about that child? The questions will be asked in this way for your personal response. Then B. Write any 2 efforts that you can make to enroll deprived children out of school children into school. What will you do for the children, those who are away from school, that is those who are not able to learn in the school? What will you do for such children? Then activity number 8. Today it is time for every child to have a right to. The children should be free for something, or it should be free from slavery, and it should have a right. A right, that is in Marathi we say अधिकार. किती क्षेत्रामध्ये त्यांना मुलांना अधिकार पाहिजे. For example, one example is given here: education, then playing games, etc. Then activity number 9. Make a list of Indian Nobel laureates, Nobel Prize winners from India. You can find it. You will take help of Google and you can find the names of Nobel winners in India. Activity number 10. Make a list of prestigious awards in India. Also you will take the help of Google to find out prestigious awards in India. Then activity number 11. Make meaningful sentences by using the following phrases. This question, same question or such type of question will be asked in your question paper in question number 1B. Question number 1B for 1 or 2 marks. Here you will be given a phrase and you will be asked to use the phrase in your own words, own sentences, or make meaningful sentences of your own in the pursuit of, to be afraid of, to give up, to be afraid of. For example, he was afraid of doing the adventures, like this. Then activity number 12. Write minimum 5 hidden words of more than 4 letters from intergovernmental word formation. The question will be asked in question number 1 in your question paper, board question paper also. Question number 1, word formation. You can do it very easily. Imagine your school invites Malala to preside over celebration of Children's Day. Draft a welcome speech for this noble young girl. Gather her biodata from the internet. You can do it also. That is drafting a speech. Then activity number 14. Use the same words as a noun and a verb to make meaningful sentences. March, march, march. Same words. Here march. That is, for example, you have to march. You have to march for your activities in March. So same words, meanings are different. Same words, but meanings are different. For example, READ, read. Then read, 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 and RED, read. Like this, you can find such words from your text. Then come to language study. Here in language study, in first activity, You are given some sentences. You have to match the A part with B. In A part, you are given part A. You are given passive voice. You have to find out active voice. Active voice from it. For example, he was kidnapped by an extremist militia. And options are given here. They forced the child to kill his friends and family, and extremist militia kidnapped him. So let us discuss about this sentence. He was kidnapped by an extremist militia. By an extremist militia. It is object is given here. By is given here, and was to be. To be form of verb is given here. Here kidnapped V3 is given here. That is past participle of verb is given here. So it is passive voice. You have to change it into active voice. Here he is subject. Object is given here. Then let us take object into subject. And extremist militia. Here was is in the past form, so you have to take the past form of this verb, kidnap, and its past form is also kidnap. Kidnap. Then take subject as object here, he becomes him. An extremist militia kidnapped him. Then in B activity, you are asked to observe the following underlined phrases. Here have, has are followed by the past participle form of verb. This construction indicates the perfect present tense. Present perfect. The examples of present perfect is given here. You have to find out such examples from the text. Then C activity. In the following sentences, the underlined words are called infinitives. Infinitive, the verbs which are started with to. That is to write or to read, to come. These are called infinitive verbs. Infinitive verbs. You have to find out infinitive verbs from the text. Then in D activity, you are asked to find out antonyms from the text. In E, you are asked to make nouns from the verb given in the table. Then make verbs from the nouns or adjectives given in the table. And last one is activity F. Change the following sentences to other degree of comparison without changing meaning. You are given here examples of superlative degree. You have to change it into positive as well as comparative degree. We have seen such examples. We have also studied such examples. You can do it, no doubt. Okay, thank you.